Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Going to show you everything running on our 58 3100. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There you can see the gas gauge, got about a quarter tank. There's your aftermarket gauges. Got a classic stereo in it. New AC heat unit. Horn does not work, and it is not equipped with wipers. No wiper motor, so just so you know. We'll check the lights, just making sure. And there's a cigarette lighter, pretty cool. Runs really good, got headers, power steering, power brakes, got a serpentine belt system, newer style AC compressor. Like I said, brand new classic air aluminum intake. Carburetor and poly carburetor. Really runs good. Headlights. Good sound and exhaust. Tail lights got pretty cool tail light or exhaust tips. So the horn does not work and the wipers do not work. So any questions? Let's see. Yep, there's your dome light works. Any questions? 605-695-7391.